In today's video, I'll show you how to add a signature in the Outlook mobile app. A clean, automatic signature makes your emails look professional and saves time, especially when sending messages from your phone or tablet. Start by opening the Outlook app and tapping the Google icon, your profile image, or your account logo at the top left to open the side panel. This panel holds your main options, and from here, you'll access the settings. At the bottom of the side panel, tap the gear icon to open Outlook's settings menu. This is where you manage notifications, mail behavior, and your signature. Look for the Signatures option under the Mail section, or use the search bar at the top of the settings page by typing Signature. Tap it to open the signature editor. If you have multiple accounts added to Outlook Mobile, you may see separate signature settings for each one so you can customize them individually. Now create or edit your signature. Keep it short, clean, and mobile-friendly. Since mobile screens are small, stick to essential details to make sure your information stays readable. You can use basic formatting like bold or italics, but avoid heavy images or complicated layouts because they don't always display well and can appear as attachments. If available, add simple links to your website or scheduling page rather than long, unformatted URLs. Avoid unnecessary clutter so your sign-off looks neat and professional. Make your mobile signature consistent with the one you use on desktop Outlook, but don't copy large graphics or banners. Mobile apps often strip images or convert them into attachments, which can make your emails look messy. When your signature is ready, simply go back to save your changes. The next time you compose an email, Outlook Mobile will insert your new signature automatically, keeping your messages polished and consistent wherever you send them.